Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to cancel your Creative Fabrica subscription. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Creative Fabrica account and hover over the My Profile icon. Once you hover over it, you will see this menu here. So from here, go to My Account. After that, this page will load. So from here on, you can see on the left hand side the subscriptions icon right here. You will click on it, and here you can see all of the details related to your Creative Fabrica subscription. So under the Actions tab, you can see a text that says cancel your subscription. So you want to click on that. And here a sort of a disclaimer will load, and you just want to scroll down and press next. Then scroll down back again and press next again. And here just press end subscription. And that's it, you cancelled your subscription. If this video helped you out, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.